Oops, I made a boo-boo. I have a good friend who interviewed me today on her LinkedIn live show. And we talked all about maternal mental health. For those of you who don't know, I am a maternal mental health advocate. I struggled with postpartum depression and anxiety for a while. Didn't really know what it was. Once I figured out what it was, I was like, oh, Black people get that? Yeah, so that's my story. I ended up going out there and advocating, wrote a couple of books to help other moms with it, doing a lot of great things. And we have a nonprofit organization that I head up and co-found with another. So anywho, review went well. I stumbled a little bit. It's been a while since I've been an actual guest. I'm usually the host, so I'm usually the one in control. So it's when someone asks me a question, I'm kind of like, my mind is going to 50 million different ways. But this particular person had a really great story about a client that they worked with. I've been trying to get her on TikTok for a good minute, so I recorded it with Loom. I forgot to turn off my Rodecaster. That recording has no audio. Oopsie doopsie. That just really burns my biscuits. Burns my biscuits.